Dark web is a gateway to evil world. Dark web, you may call it web of evils. Heinous crimes, child exploitations, target killing, smuggling transactions, illegal weapons deals and transactions, cyber attacks, human traffickings, drugs traffickings, money laundering, secrets plans, intelligence communications, and many more. Unfortunately, world heinous crimes are now happened and settled there. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe for more interesting videos. The dark web is a part of the internet that lets people hide their identity and location from other people and from law enforcement. The dark web originated from the U.S. Naval Research Laboratory's Onion Routing Project in the mid-1990s, evolving into the Tor network. It was developed to offer a secure and anonymous communication platform, addressing the need for privacy in an interconnected world, where individuals could exchange information without the threat of surveillance. By the mid-2000s, platforms on the dark web were being used for activities such as the sale of drugs, weapons, stolen data, counterfeit currency, and various forms of cybercrime. Notorious marketplaces like Silk Road, founded in 2011, became prominent hubs for illegal transactions, leading to increased scrutiny and law enforcement actions against dark web criminal activities. Accessing the darknet can be risky. As for surface browsing, you are using Google, Bing, etc. But to access dark web, that is actually hidden portion of deep web, you need Onion Project Browser Tor to hide your identity and become anonymous for everyone inside dark web. Tor browser is considered as safest way to enter darknet, dark web, that was released publicly on 2002. Buyers and sellers are anonymous for each other through multiple IPs switching, same as onion layers. But remember, you can still get hacked, as it's a biggest market of hackers in the world. As due to high secrecy and being anonymous identity on that portion of internet, criminal illegals activities and getting worse. If talk about payments on darknet, then crypto made the transactions so easy. Cryptocurrencies have been used as a preferred form of payment on the dark web for various illicit activities due to their pseudo-anonymous nature and decentralized structure. 2019 to 2024 big volume crypto circulations recorded $750 billion plus. 4. Drug trafficking, ransomware attacks, money laundering, weapons trafficking, cybercrime services, fake IDs and forged documents, and illegal pornography child exploitations. If you ever consider delving into the criminal underworld, think again. The dark web is a terrifying place, filled with ransomware attacks, numerous traps, blackmail, coerced creation of compromising videos, and tragic outcomes that have already occurred. Stopping the dark web entirely is a complex challenge due to its decentralized and encrypted nature, which allows users to operate anonymously and evade traditional forms of surveillance and control. However, efforts can be made to mitigate the negative aspects associated with the dark web and address the illegal activities that take place within it. Measures to address the misuse of the dark web include law enforcement actions. Authorities worldwide conduct operations to identify and dismantle illegal marketplaces, arrest individuals involved in criminal activities, and disrupt networks operating on the dark web. Regulatory measures. Governments can implement regulations and policies to monitor cryptocurrency transactions, strengthen cybersecurity measures, and collaborate internationally to combat cybercrime. Technological solutions. Developing innovative technologies for tracking and tracing illicit activities on the dark web, enhancing encryption standards, and improving cybersecurity tools can help in addressing criminal behavior. Public awareness. Educating the public about the risks associated with the dark web, promoting digital literacy, and encouraging safe online practices can help prevent individuals from engaging in illegal activities on these platforms. I will suggest you one movie on dark web, a cybercrime unveiling picture, Unfriended Dark Web, based on reality.